How do you know when it's almost time to change out your roof? Well, there's some pretty visible signs that you can see, unless you have a really low slope roof. Some pretty visible signs that you can see that that will tell you that it's almost time to redo your roof. So I'm up on a roof right now, and one of the first things that I noticed was that the valley is starting to deteriorate. You got these this matting showing, and then the granules are actually crumbling off. And so it's happening mainly in the valley, but on the sun-facing side of the roof, it's also showing on the eaves. So if you see this on your roof, it's time to start getting estimates. You probably want to know what it's going to cost you so you can start saving some money. Now, this roof isn't in horrible condition. You know, he could probably get away with, 1 or 2 more years of roof life, but it's still a good idea to know what it's going to cost you. So that's when you give somebody a call and you get a free estimate. Now, when I come out and do an estimate, I'm going to take a bunch of pictures for you. I'm going to show you all this stuff on your roof, and I'm going to give you an honest opinion on whether or not you need to replace your roof. I'm literally going to go down and tell this guy, you could probably squeeze another 2 years out of your roof. But I'm also going to tell him to keep an eye on it, because you don't want to neglect it. But this way, it gives them a little bit more time to save up. And I know in these challenging times right now, money is not, something you can just throw around. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching my video. If you need anything, my phone number is 780-906-5111. I service the Edmonton and surrounding areas. So yeah, give me a shout. Cheers.